Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on Reset Options, and here at the top we've got two options which are connected with resetting the network. So we've got mobile network settings and separately Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So all you have to do is to tap on the option, then tap on Reset Settings. Here we've got the warning. You have to be aware that we cannot undo this action, so be aware about that, and simply tap on Reset Settings. That's all. And the same with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, simply tap on it, tap on Reset, and it is done. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.